welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today I'm doing a Target haul. I went to Target yesterday and posted on my Instagram that I was at Target and you guys asked me to do a haul on YouTube. So that's what we're doing. So my categories are decor, clothing, some miscellaneous things, some shoes, some products, cleaning products, and I saw a couple of things on sale that I wanted to talk about also, so let's get started. So when I went to Target, I planned to use a $30 gift card that they gave me in exchange for that bathroom caddy that I didn't like, and then I forgot to use it. But I went for these. I saw this on Instagram a few weeks ago. I mentioned that in my last video, and I really want to try them. It's called Everspring Down-to-Earth Solutions that are up to earth standards. This one's the glass cleaner. I'm not sure what it smells. Oh, lemon mint. Oh, I really like that. I like the color of the packaging on this one, and it's lemon mint. Mint is like my favorite scent to clean with. And this one is mandarin ginger. It's for granite and stone. And these are non-toxic, ammonia-free, 100% natural. So if you guys are at Target, give them a try. I think the granite cleaner was $5.99 and the glass cleaner was $2.99. I'm not sure why. They're the same fluid ounces, but one was more expensive than the other, or I mistaked another price tag for something else. Not sure, but I picked these up and I can't wait to try it. This is my toilet bowl cleaner that I use, the Method Anti-Bac Toilet Bowl Cleaner. I always find it at Target. It's in the Spearmint scent. I really like this one. It's the only one that I use. This one right here, you guys see in my videos all the time. It recently ran out, so I repurchased another one. This is the Method Squirt Mop for hard floors in Spearmint Sage. Again, Spearmint. It smells really, really good, and I of course like the color. I usually buy my Mr. Clean Magic Erasers in bulk in the variety pack, but since I was at Target and I needed some, I just picked these ones up. These are the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, 4 times stronger. These are supposed to be like extra durable or whatever. I just picked these up because I'm always scrubbing off crayon and scuffs off the wall. There's 4 in here. Definitely not enough for me, but I needed some to hold me over. This one is a variety pack. It comes with 2 extra durable, 2 kitchens that cut for tough grease. That one has Dawn in it. And the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser for the bathroom has a Febreze scent. I really love Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. I use them for these are the brush cleaners that I always get to clean glasses or inside the kids' water bottles. And they come 2 in a pack. I get these from Target. They're supposed to be baby bottle brushes, but I use them for glasses or anything that my hand cannot fit into. And these I've mentioned before. I get these at Target. This is my second pair. I have a couple of the other ones from before. You guys might have seen them in my videos, like cleaning the kids' water bottles and stuff. This is really, really good for cleaning straws, water bottles, the inside of all those little crevices in there that I always feel like it's not all the way clean if I run it through the dishwasher. Really love these, so convenient. I think we lost a couple because Emir's always messing with them. So I'm happy to have the ones that I haven't had in a while back. If your kids use water bottles like the Contigo ones or any other ones that have a lot of crevices and things, like a straw that you can't pull apart or something like that, sticky stuff staying in there, growing and building up in the kids' water bottles and straws. I picked up some shorts for Emir. I really like this color. They're the quick dry. They're like a that dry fit material. Really nice. They're the Cat and Jack brand, size 5. Emir is getting so big, you guys. He's in a size 5 now. I don't think I got these from Target. These are from Sam's Club, but they ended up in the haul. I picked up some Oshkosh shoes like this for Emir because they're great during the summer and they're really comfortable. So yeah, I got these for him, but they're not from Target. These are from Target. I got him 2 pairs of these Cat and Jack sandals. They kind of look like Birkenstocks. They're really comfortable. They're not hard like Birkenstocks. They have some cushion in there. I love these. The colors on them are so cute, and he has a couple of outfits that will match. I didn't get shoes for the girls because they already have enough for right now, and if they do need anything, if I see it when I'm out, I'll get it for them. I don't want anyone to think that I bought more for one kid and not the other. Like, we always buy things here and there. It's not like someone's getting left out. Also for Emir, just this cute little orange book bag. It was on sale. It's a Cat and Jack. It's the Cat and Jack brand. Also, it was $8.48 from $16.99, so I picked this up for him. He's going to be starting a new school soon, so he's definitely going to need a little bag with it. I'm pretty sure all the clothing is Cat and Jack. This one is for Sultan. She said she wanted the avocado dress. I love this. I think it's so cute. And it's a really light material, so this is perfect for in Florida. It's really, really hot, and she loves dresses. That's all she wants to wear. So I picked up some tie-dye matching bike shorts for the girls. You guys, I'm that mom. If I can match my girls, even if I can match like the boy with them, or I can match with my kids, I just like matching. It just something we do. Let me know if you guys do that too. If you're small enough to fit into kids sizes like me, I do that all the time. The other day we were at Costco and they had some Adidas leggings on sale, and I just bought them in the biggest size they had for kids and they fit me. I literally do that all the time. Sorry, my alarm started to go off. It is playtime with the kids. I gotta hurry this up. Some like soft material shorts for them to just wear at home because it's almost summer break. The kids are almost out from school, so we'll definitely get some use out of these. Of course, matching. And the girls, they like matching too. They were there when I was shopping this time, so they were like, are we matching? Are we matching? I really love these shorts. I should have got them in a size for me, but shorts in kid sizes for me don't work out because I'm obviously too tall. But these are so cute. Oh my gosh, aqua little shorts. Cat and Jack is such a cute brand. I absolutely love the clothes that they make for little kids. So we got a bunch of shorts for girls, put those off to the side. Oh, that could have ended badly. I thought I was about to spill the whole thing. These two are for Ruby. They're actually for boys, but she liked the color and I like the color. It doesn't really matter. They're just pajamas. She needed a bunch more pajamas in a size 10. All of her old ones are a size 8. These ones for Ruby also. She has like literally no pajamas. And this is the dress that Ruby got. She chose the heart one, just a cute little flowy dress. My girls will definitely be wearing like bike shorts or some leggings underneath, not just like that. And also this last one, which I think is the cutest for Ruby, another Cat and Jack pajama set. This book is not from Target, but I also picked this up for Emir. It's from Sam's Club. Some of the stuff, we went to Sam's Club too, so some of the stuff got mixed in. But yeah, this cute little book, it's called Jelly Bean Blessings. He likes books like this, and especially hardcover because he'll rip the pages. But he's been doing a lot better at keeping up with his book and not ripping them up. He loves to read. It's one of his favorite things to do. He'll just say the title of a book and then just start looking for it everywhere. Every couple of months I pick him up a new book because he likes to read his favorite ones over and over and over. But for me, I'm like, it's time to get a new book. I used to do that too when I was a little kid. My parents, I would make them read me Morris Goes to School every single day. I would go to my mom, to my dad, to my sister, to my brother, and have everyone read it to me until I could read it myself. So maybe he takes after me in that way. I know his dad doesn't like to read or study. Anyways, so for the kids, I always use the Shea Moisture line for their hair. I've never used anything else unless it's like an emergency and I have to use something else that I find, but it's not open. Like I can't really smell it, but I already know what it smells like and it's just seeping through the packaging. This one is the Mango and Carrot Kids Extra Nourishing Shampoo and Conditioner. These smell so good. This is one of my favorite scents. I'm not sure what they put in here to make it smell like that, but I would want to smell like this all the time. Like I want this in a cleaning scent, I want this in a bath bomb, I want this in a shower gel. This Mango Carrot scent from Shea Moisture is my absolute favorite. And not only is it well scented, this is all natural. There's no sulfates, no parabens, no anything in here. It's so great, no testing on animals, but it works well too. My kids' hair is always so soft and moisturized after I use this on their hair. So if you guys have kids that have curly hair, definitely check out Shea Moisture. Their products all smell amazing and they actually work. This is another one of my absolute favorite scents from Shea Moisture. I don't think it's, but I can smell it through the packaging. This is another one of my favorite scents from this brand. All of their scents are really, really good, but I have like maybe 4 that I cannot live without. It smells so good. And anytime I deep condition my hair with this, somebody always asks like, what perfume are you wearing? And I'm like, I'm not wearing perfume. It's my deep conditioner. It smells so good. I just can't say anything else about it. Also, it performs well. When I deep condition my hair with this, it's fully hydrated, not as frizzy. I live in Florida, so my hair's gonna frizz up regardless, but this right here, holy grail. Next, I picked up, recently I've been trying different products from this Raw Sugar brand and I've been liking it. The hand soaps are really nice. They don't leave my hands as dry as the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap. I tried the body wash in this. It smells so good and natural. It's not a very like artificial perfumey scent. It's like a natural, oh my goodness. Oh, this smells so good, you guys. I opened it up at Target. It's the raw coconut and mango. Smelled so good, and it's like a sugar scrub. Oh my goodness, this smells so good, and the packaging is so cute. I love the packaging. You guys know I like bamboo, so I can't wait to try this. I love scrubs. I'm always using them. Oh, it just smells so good. I can't stop smelling this, seriously. I picked up some more of these Ollie vitamins for women's. It's a women's multivitamin, and I've taken these before and I like them. I can't say anything bad about them. I just really want a good multivitamin that I can take every day. I don't really notice a difference with vitamins, but I know I'm supposed to take them. So once I try a brand and I like it, it doesn't give me any weird side effects like breaking out or anything like that, I stick to have in my room right now that brass lamp. And then the green, of course, you guys know I love my fake succulents. The kids were outside playing with water and they just came in, so now Amir's upset. But I picked up this to probably go in my cubicle in my room or in here, I'm not really sure yet. I think this is fake aloe. It is really cute. It'll go with the rug that I got that I'm going to show you guys in a minute in my room. So this is also for my cubicle. These are supposed to be bird houses, I think. You hang them outside. For me, it's just going to be decor. I'm most likely going to get rid of this string on top, or maybe I won't, not sure. I might add some beads at the end of it. That doesn't look very nice. I might get rid of it. It's so cute. It's kind of like in the patterns that I like, and I feel like it would blend in with my room nicely. The rug that I got definitely matches this. This kind of looks like a cactus theme to me. Love these two colors together, and I thought it was really nice. It was on sale for $11.88 from $16.99, so I picked it up, and it's a good size to fit into the cubicles. I don't want to get anything too small because then it just makes it look small. These were the perfect size to go in there, so I got this one and I got another one. This is definitely a birdhouse because it has a little stick on the outside, but that's not the way I'm going to be using them. This one was also $11.88 and I just love the colors on it. It's going to blend in nicely in my room with the rug and just everything that I have in there. So more things to fill up my cubicle because I don't want to put all baskets in there. I wanted to put some decor and make it useful and functional. Like I have my bed sheets in one side and then I have workout equipment on the other side, and then a couple of empty spaces. I may put in one more basket and just a few other things over time, but I'm not really in a hurry to just like fill it up. I just don't want it to look sparse. And the last thing I got was this bread box. I mentioned that I started getting those fresh papers for baked goods, and they do work. I just feel like we need a bread box. We have a lot of bread and some of it I don't want to keep in the pantry or in the fridge, so this will go on the countertop, but I want to get rid of those cables. I want to get rid of those cables for the internet tower and like whatever else is there and put this one there. So hopefully I can do that soon. This was on sale. It was $27.99 and it was $19.61. I found this on clearance. It'll match very nicely in the kitchen, I think. That's how it opens and shuts. This reminds me of my childhood. One of my mom's good friends had one of these and I would always play with it. I just like the way that it opened and closed. So that is it for this video. That was everything that I got from Target. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and I'll make more videos like this. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will talk to you all in my next video.